I remember this phase, just scrolling and thinking, what am I actually doing with my life? I always liked the idea of nursing, but I thought it was too difficult, too lengthy, or just not realistic for me. But then I found the Diploma of Nursing and IHNA. And now I'm actually studying to become an enrolled nurse. I'm on campus, in the labs, learning how to care for real patients. We are learning the practical skills we need on the floor, taking vital signs, understanding patient cares, working as part of a healthcare team. It's not just theory on a screen, it's skills I can actually use in hospitals and aged care. What I like about IHNA is that I don't feel that I'm doing this alone. Trainers have real nursing experience, the stimulation labs feel like real life scenarios, and the whole focus is on caring with passion. Whether you have just finished your school, or you're working in another job, or you just have arrived to Australia and want a career that really pays back, this is the real step into nursing. If you are where I was, stuck, unsure, but deep down you knew that you wanted to become a nurse and do something good for people, this might be your sign. Diploma of Nursing with IHNA, the leading institution of health and nursing. This is how it became real for me. This could be you as well.